We continue to grow more and more dependent on technology as it advances and evolves over time. From smartphones in our pockets to smartwatches on our wrists, we are getting ever closer to merging our bodies with the latest tech that we develop. This is exactly what is happening in Sweden. High-tech futuristic microchips are being implanted under people's skin to help them carry out daily tasks such as opening locked doors, accessing public transportation, and even making payments using nothing but their hands. So let's dive right into this technology and find out what it's all about. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel if you're new here. Ever since 2014, approximately 6,000 people in Sweden have had a Biohax microchip implanted into their hands. This biocompatible near-field communication or NFC implant is about the size of a grain of rice that can be easily inserted under the skin. The chips typically are inserted into the skin just above each user's thumb, using a syringe similar to that used for giving vaccinations. It is the latest in biohacking technology pioneered by Jowan Osterlund, the founder and CEO of Biohax International. Biohacking or body hacking is the practice of putting radio frequency identification chip implants, sensors, magnets, and other tech implants under the skin. Radio frequency identification or RFID is the wireless non-contact use of radio frequency waves to transfer data. An RFID system consists of a tiny radio transponder, a radio receiver, and a transmitter. When triggered by an electromagnetic pulse from a nearby RFID reader device, the tag transmits digital data, usually an identifying inventory number, back to the reader. This allows the users to speed up their daily routines and make their lives more convenient. Things such as accessing their homes, offices, and gyms becomes as easy as swiping their hands against digital readers. Moreover, these implants can also be used to store emergency contact details, social media profiles, or e-tickets for events and rail journeys within Sweden. The long-term goal of this technology is to provide benefits within the medical field. According to its pioneers, in the future, the chip will be able to accurately portray health metrics taken from inside the body. This will be very beneficial for remote communities with limited access to healthcare services. Although Swedes that have gotten this implant are very excited about it, many others are highly skeptical. Some worry about being hacked, while others raise questions on data privacy. Their concern is regarding the ownership of the data and how it will be used. Furthermore, since there are no laws regulating this process, who owns and controls all the personal information? And what happens if this information gets leaked? These are some legitimate concerns brought forward by the opponents of the Biohax microchip implant. But regardless of the skepticism, proponents claim that there's nothing to worry about as it is extremely difficult to hack these chips. So they predict that millions of people will eventually have this technology implanted under their skins to make their lives more convenient. But all that remains to be seen. So where do you stand? Would you ever consider getting this chip implanted under your skin? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Also, if you want to continue seeing content like this, help us out by clicking like, share, and subscribe. We really appreciate all of your help. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.